I'm going to show you how to start threat modeling in under a few minutes. Now, our application, the Aristiun AriBot threat modeling solution, it couldn't do automated threat modeling, which pulls data from an existing diagram or pulls data from the cloud. But we could also perform manual threat modeling, and that's what I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to get right into it. Let's go to create. We'll create a new demo. There we go. And we're going to add some Azure components, in particular the app service. That's one. And the SQL database. That's two. Okay, we'll connect them so they communicate with each other. We'll choose two-way communication. In fact, we can also name it something. So encrypted on. We can say, okay, this is our banking application. And we can say this is our banking database. And that is our very simple Azure-based application that we want to threat model. We can click save. It'll save that. Now, what's going to happen is the AriBot solution is going to assess this threat model, and it's going to assign threats and countermeasures to the components we've just defined. So in this case, the app service and the database. So it usually needs a bit of time to think about it, but if we check on progress, we see that we have 91 threats that have been assigned to this threat model. This is all done automatically, but we have defined these components ourselves. And in this case, we can see that, okay, the Azure App Service has some potential zero-day exploits. We have operational risks. We have a man-in-the-middle attack. We have potential code injection. We have malware. So this is just a small list of the potential threats that we should be thinking about for this component. And obviously we can look at the other components as well, but we'll just look at this one for now. Then each threat has a relevant countermeasure as well, or in this case, multiple countermeasures for each threat. And we have some mapping to some controls. We have applicable security checks and things like what priority we give it, how or who we assign the threat and countermeasures to, and the status that we currently have. So whether it's unresolved or whether we've checked it and confirmed it. So there you have it. In just under 3 minutes, we have a threat model with plenty of threats that we need to confirm in further stages.